Does it get competitive between you guys?
Yes, yes it does.
Everybody wants to beat the coach.
I say to them, come here, come, and I'll show you how to do it. My number one bowling tip is not to get the ball in the gutter. She's coached me for many years because she's an Australian championship herself. She's like a mother to me. Yeah, I did miss my bowling because of lockdown.
Her passion is temporary bowling. So to be able to return, you know, and enjoy that.
I got pretty bored on a Wednesday afternoon with having no bowling and seeing my bowling mates. It means a lot to me to be helping my community.
I've always been so proud. I do not know who nominated me to this day. My thing was, I said I was OAM, out always mother. She doesn't stop. I'm pretty sure she must feel the worth of that. Do you?
Yeah. Mum said you only got so many hours in the day, Sue, and by the time you're finished, you've got none hours for yourself left in the day.